Hey guys, welcome back to KP Coasters. Today we are at Fun Fore All Family Entertainment Center, located in Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to be doing a construction update on their 2 new rides for 2020. Let's go see what we can see. As we can see, the bumper boat pool has been completely filled in with concrete. Some of the fence has been removed, and there isn't much else going on. Their first coaster here, Fiesta Express, is currently wrapped up for the winter. We can see Fiesta Express a bit more clearly from here. And the bumper boat pool. And here is some aerial imagery of what the bumper boat area used to look like. It's a pretty sizable amount of land. I definitely think that Fun Fore All could fit in an SBS spinner, or maybe it's just going to be 2 kid rides. I don't know. Fun Fore All really hasn't announced anything. All they've told us is that they are getting 2 new rides next year. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more construction updates on our channel, please let us know in the comments down below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more exciting content about Fun Fore All, Kennywood, and more. See you next time.